Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're delving into some exciting news as BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, takes a bold step into the world of tokenization. Let's dive in and explore the implications of BlackRock's $47 million investment in Securitize. In a groundbreaking move, BlackRock has made a substantial investment of $47 million in Securitize, a leading blockchain-based platform specializing in digital securities. This investment signals BlackRock's growing interest in the burgeoning field of tokenization, where traditional assets are represented as digital tokens on a blockchain. As the world's largest asset manager with over $9 trillion in assets under management, BlackRock's foray into tokenization carries significant implications for the broader financial industry. By investing in Securitize, BlackRock is not only validating the potential of blockchain technology but also positioning itself at the forefront of the digital asset revolution. Tokenization refers to the process of converting real-world assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and artwork, into digital tokens that can be traded on a blockchain. This innovative approach offers several advantages over traditional asset ownership, including increased liquidity, fractional ownership, and enhanced transparency. With tokenization, investors gain access to a broader range of investment opportunities, as assets that were previously illiquid or inaccessible become easily tradable on digital asset exchanges. Additionally, tokenization enables fractional ownership, allowing investors to purchase smaller portions of high-value assets and diversify their portfolios more effectively. BlackRock's strategic investment in Securitize represents a significant milestone in the convergence of traditional finance and blockchain technology. With over $9 trillion in assets under management, BlackRock's decision to invest $47 million in Securitize underscores its recognition of the transformative potential of digital securities and blockchain-based solutions. Securitize, a leading blockchain platform specializing in digital securities issuance and compliance, provides BlackRock with access to cutting-edge technology and expertise in tokenization, enabling the asset manager to explore new opportunities in the digital asset space. By partnering with Securitize, BlackRock aims to leverage its technology and regulatory compliant platform to unlock new efficiencies and opportunities in the issuance, management, and trading of digital securities. Securitize's platform enables issuers to tokenize a wide range of assets, including equities, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments, and facilitates the seamless issuance and trading of digital securities on a global scale. With its robust compliance framework and extensive network of partners and investors, Securitize provides BlackRock with a secure and scalable solution for digitizing traditional assets and accessing the growing digital asset market. BlackRock's investment in Securitize not only represents a significant financial commitment but also positions the asset manager at the vanguard of the tokenization revolution, where traditional assets are digitized and represented as digital tokens on a blockchain. By recognizing the transformative potential of digital securities and blockchain-based solutions, BlackRock is seizing the opportunity to capitalize on the growing demand for innovative financial products and services in an increasingly digital world. As the digital asset ecosystem continues to evolve and mature, BlackRock's strategic partnership with Securitize provides it with a unique opportunity to shape the future of finance and drive innovation in the global financial markets. By leveraging Securitize's cutting-edge technology and expertise in tokenization, BlackRock can explore new avenues for asset management, investment, and capital formation, unlocking new opportunities for its clients and stakeholders. BlackRock's investment in Securitize underscores its commitment to embracing emerging technologies and staying at the forefront of industry trends. BlackRock's strategic partnership with Securitize positions it as a leader in digital asset innovation, enabling it to stay ahead of the curve and maintain its competitive edge in the rapidly evolving financial landscape. By actively participating in the tokenization revolution, BlackRock is not only diversifying its investment portfolio but also future-proofing its business against technological disruption and market shifts. As the demand for digital securities and blockchain-based solutions continues to grow, BlackRock's strategic investment in Securitize ensures that it remains well-positioned to capitalize on emerging opportunities and deliver value to its clients and stakeholders in the digital age. The partnership between BlackRock and Securitize carries profound implications for the future of finance, heralding a seismic shift in the way assets are issued, traded, and managed. As tokenization gains momentum, we can expect to see a fundamental transformation in the traditional financial landscape, with blockchain technology serving as the cornerstone of this evolution. By digitizing traditional assets and representing them as digital tokens on a blockchain, tokenization offers several key advantages, including increased liquidity, fractional ownership, and enhanced transparency. One of the most significant implications of tokenization is its potential to democratize access to investment opportunities, unlocking trillions of dollars in currently illiquid assets and expanding the pool of potential investors. With assets such as real estate, private equity, and artwork tokenized and made easily tradable on digital asset exchanges, investors from around the world can gain exposure to previously inaccessible markets and assets, leading to greater diversification and risk management. Tokenization has the potential to streamline the issuance and trading of securities, reducing costs, eliminating intermediaries, and increasing efficiency in the capital markets. By digitizing securities and automating compliance processes through smart contracts, issuers can reduce administrative burdens and regulatory complexities, making it easier and more cost-effective to access capital and bring new investment opportunities to market. Tokenization enhances transparency and security in financial transactions, leveraging the immutability and tamper-proof nature of blockchain technology to ensure the integrity and provenance of digital assets. In conclusion, BlackRock's investment in Securitize marks a significant milestone in the evolution of the digital asset ecosystem. By embracing tokenization, BlackRock is positioning itself at the forefront of the digital revolution, where traditional assets are reimagined as digital tokens on a blockchain. With BlackRock leading the charge, we can expect to see further innovation and adoption in the realm of digital securities, paving the way for a more inclusive and efficient financial system. That's all for today's video.